Greetings to all. Now we are going to discuss about how to compute total score by combining variables in SPSS. Now we are calculating total score for students' attitude towards online classes. This is the variables. We are collecting data from the students about attitude towards online classes. We have 8 variables. All these 8 variables are combined and we want to find out total score for all these 8 variables. So now we are moving to SPSS. Here all the 8 variables individual value is entered in an SPSS. All these variables are entered using 5-point Likert scaling system, that is strongly disagree to strongly agree, 1 to 5. So here all the 8 variables are coded into 1 to 5, that is strongly disagree to strongly agree. Now you want to find out total score for all these 8 variables. Just enter transform and click compute variables. You can get this window, target variables window. Here you can type the total score as a new variable name. After entering the new variable name as total score, select the variables from this box to using this key move to numerical expression area. So variable 1 plus variable 2 plus variable 3 plus variable 4 plus variable 5. Like this you can enter all these 8 variables, variable 8, and press OK. Once you press OK, you can get the output window. Then again move to data variable view. We can get the total score of all these variables, that is adding 5 plus 5 plus 4 plus 4 plus and so on, all the 8 variables. We can get the total score for the 8 individual variables. Now come to variable view. Here we have the 9th variable called new variable, that is you can name it as total score. Total score. This is one method. We can compute this total score by another method also. Again come to data view column and go to transform, click compute variables and type the new variable name total score 1, because already we have total score. So total score 1. Then select this bracket. Within that bracket you can move the variables. Variable 1 plus variable 2, enter plus. Likewise you can enter all the 8 variables. Variable 5 plus variable 6 plus and so on up to variable 8. Then click OK. Again come to data view. You can get the total score. This is another method. Likewise we have many methods to compute the total score using transform menu. Hereafter we can go for further analysis. Thank you for watching.